Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines. Cabinet held. Interestingly, Panchayat Minister speaks of alleged clash between CM Health Minister, says all is well. Leaders make a beeline to visit Mamta as she arrives in state. Tennis star Leander Paes joins party in Goa. Locals advised to prepare for thunderstorms accompanied with lightning on the 1st and 2nd of November. Maximum and minimum temperatures to hover around 35 and 23 degrees centigrade respectively. And now for the news in detail. The cabinet was held today. Ironically, the topic that came up with the media was that the Cold War between the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the Health Minister Vishwajit Rane is over, the Panchayat Minister Marvin Gudino said.
There was no major discussion in the cabinet. However, after the cabinet, media asked Marvin about the Chief Minister versus Health Minister fiasco. There were rumours that the Chief Minister trophy won't be organised in the Health Minister's Valpoi constituency. However, Marvin said that the internal differences would always be there, but as of now, they have been sorted out. The cabinet held today was also smooth and there was no controversy, he said.
अजून HM CM डिफरन्सेस कित्याक कमी जायना?
कमी जाले मरे काबार
ना
जाले
CM चेशा वाळपय जायना सगळे कडेन जाता.
ना जाले डिफरन्सेस सदां आसतले दोन मनशां भितर डिफरन्स सदां आसतलेच सगळे कडेन बरो आहा आज कॅबिनेट स्मूथ जाले
फाटली जाल्ली ताका तितून कितें जाल्लें फाटली कॅबिनेटाक
सदां तितलेच स्मूथ आसना न्ही तूं रस्त्यार वयता तेन्ना सगळे कडेन रस्तो स्मूथ
खड्डे पडल्या न्हू ताका लागून
थोडे कडेन खड्डे पडटा एवरीथींग इज वेल सी एक विशय नाका खूब महत्वाची डिसिजन कॅबिनेटान गेली घेता हे पाटी थोडी खूब महत्वाची डिसिजन घेवपाचे आसात तेजे चर्चा जाल्या हांव इतलेंच सांगपाक शकता ते फुडले कॅबिनेटीन येतले
सो तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे कितें येयल्ले कॅबिनेटाक आयज
ना ते हांव कांय सांगपाक शकना हांव इतलेंच सांगपाक शकता दीस इज अ पीपल ओरिएंटेड गव्हर्मेंट लोकां जाय तशें जावपा जाय म्हूण लोकांची काळजी घेवन लोकांचे अपेक्षीत डिसिजनां जी घेवपाची आसा फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू ब्रिंग ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनस एकूच सांगपा म्हणल्यार ईज टू डील वीथ द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर वेरियस थिंग्स कनेक्टेड वीथ द पीपल हेका सोंपेपण हाडपाचें काम चालू आसा ते तुमकां फुडल्या कॅबिनेटीन घडी कळटा पॅचीस तरी घातला मरे तूं सांगता ते प्रमाणे तूं सांगता चोय पॅचीस घालून एटलिस्ट गडगडो येताले ते फोंडान भितर पडटाले ते पडना हॉट मिक्सिंग आता चालू जातले मुख्यमंत्र्यान की खड्डे आहा ते काडटले म्हणून खड्डे आहा ते काडपाचें काम व्यवस्थित सगळे कडेन जाल्लें आसा.
Power Minister Nilesh Kabral said that there was a proposal to electrify 300 houses. 150 houses have been given connection. The remaining 150 houses would be given connection through solar.
माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे एजेंडा एकूच आशिल्लो की आमी जे रिन्यूएबल एनर्जीचे डिपार्टमेंटान जे घरां 150 घरांक लायट दिल्ली आनी आमी चालू करतरी आनी 150 लोक येले जे खेडेगांवांनी रावताले तांकां आज कॅबिनेटान डिसिजन केला की 150 तांकां कोणाक ऑर्डर दिल्ली तांकां आनी 150 फुडें व्हरपाचें आनी उरलेली 300 घरां ती गोंयान सगळ्यांक लायट दिवपाची
सगळ्याक गोंयान
ना ती ग्रीड सगळ्या कडेन पावना हिली एरियाच्या भितर तो ग्रीड घालप सारकें जायना सो गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां लायट इतले वर्सां दिवना तांकां सोलर घालून दिवपाचे 150 घरांक ओन्ली कंप्लीट केला सो करता तेन्ना आनी 150 उरलेली ते लोक आतां येवपाक लागले कित्याक पयलींचे गव्हर्मेंटाचे भरोसा दवरून आहले दिसताले दिनासले म्हण सो आतां दिवपाक लागतरी तांकां कळलें की इफेक्टिवली चलता म्हण सो उरलेली 150 घरां आतां उरलेली कॅबिनेटान डिसिजन घेतलां आनी दिता.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
MLAs cutting across party lines met TMC Supremo Mamta Banerjee today. However, all of them claim that they had met her as a courtesy.
TMC chief Mamta Banerjee landed in Goa on Thursday. She is on a 3-day Goa tour to take stock of election preparedness and meet the local leaders. On Friday, India's tennis star Leander Paes joined the TMC. Speaking on elections, Mamta said she has not yet decided how many seats to contest in Goa. I met the people of Goa, including the taxi drivers and other members of civic society. She will be coming to Goa in the future to meet the people, she said. Speaking on any party tie-ups, she said alliance is a collective decision and it would be taken after consulting local leaders.
Goa is a very beautiful state and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation, and let this year celebrate geographical new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. Let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi से लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा. दिल्ली का दादागिरी ये बंद होना चाहिए. गोवा को अपन पाए में खड़ा होना चाहिए और उसका फाइट उसको ही होगा. हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा. हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा. जितना मदद करना है. They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. We discussed this matter so many times for so many elections, but no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything into details in this meeting now, because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything, and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision, so I cannot tell you right now it is. But if anyone is interested to work with us, we will be happy.
Leaders across party lines met Mamta. The Dhaulikar brothers, who were among the leaders, said that they are not interested in a merger with the TMC. Independent MLA Rohan Khaunte said that everybody needs to come on one platform to send the BJP home.
तांचो स्टेटमेंट असा की आम्ही 40 मतदारसंघात कॅन्डिडेट दवरतले. आमचो प्रश्न एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून आम्ही आज हांगा आणि जी अपॉइंटमेंट म्हाका दिसता फाटल्या फावटी हांवें आमच्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगिल्लें की जशें बाकीच्या लिडरांक मेळटा तशें कोणीय जर आमकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिवन आमकां जर स्पेशल आपयलें आसत आमी ना म्हणचें ना. कारण लिडराक एका प्रोटोकॉल आसता. बिईंग अ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बेंगाल तो प्रोटोकॉल सांबाळप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य. इज अ कॅज्युअल मिटींग आमची. जी गोंयां येता एक वेस्ट बेंगालाची चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयां आयल्या तिका मेळपा खातीर पयर कसो केजरीवाल जेन्ना आयलो तेन्ना ताकाय मेळ्ळें. ताणें आपयलें जाल्यार
नो पॉलिटिक्स आम्ही ठरयला आम्ही वतले म्हणून इंडिपेंडंट वी विल गो इंडिपेंडंट.
पण तुमकां येईल जाल्यार सर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी अलायन्साची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी येईल जाल्यार
पोल अलायन्स जावचे ना. पोस्टपोन जावपाक शकता.
मागीर पळय
आतां हांव तुमकां ताचे विशीं कांय दिना.
what you are telling. So we are working in full swing as a MG.
See, Mamta Banerjee is a tall leader, and she coming down to Goa. Prashant Kishore was in touch with me. He has been in having one or two meetings which we have been had. And taja khatir Mamta Banerjee Didi wanted to have a meeting, so courtesy call diwpaka jayillo just to meet her and understand what is her vision for Goa, what she has in mind for Goa. 3 months around the corner, how she plans taking the things ahead. I think IPAC and Didi are having some plans in their mind. My whole thing is everybody needs to be together with one particular platform to ensure that the ruling government goes home. I've had some sharing of thoughts. I hope maybe the team also of IPAC and they will also maybe discuss these issues later.
She has asked you to join?
The question is not of joining or doing. The thing is everybody needs to come together. And Taja Khatir, whatever I have given my thoughts, what we think how Goa should go in the next 5 years, I have had a chance to share my thoughts with her. She wanted to meet me, so to pay the courtesy call, I have come today. So आता फुडें कशें वचपा जाय, कितें वचपा जाय, एक कॉमन थॉट आसचोच पडटलो सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन वचपा जाय.
NCP MLA Churchill Alemao and his daughter Valanka Alemao said it was a courtesy call. According to the reports, Churchill, who was a former TMC candidate, is looking for alternatives if Congress-NCP tie-up fails. Churchill, also keen to field his daughter, is likely to push her toward the TMC if NCP refuses her ticket.
उलोवप आमची आमची फ्रेंड मरे आमची फुटबॉल सगळी फ्रेंड मरे ती आनी ती आतां चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी फ्युचराची प्रायम मिनिस्टर कॅन्डिडेट मरे आमी ताका कोर्टसी कॉल ती पयला
पण तुम्ही एनसीपी
बरं आम्ही एनसीपी हांवें सांगलां बरें पळय सांगलें नाही 2 लोक आहाय म्हणून एक BJP आनी एक काँग्रेसू तो काँग्रेस कितें आसता 4 कुडी जाल्या ते झगडून जाल्या आनी BJPचे 3 कुडके आहा ते बराबर आहा ते आनी इनसायड भायर दिसता पडटा कोण आम आदमी आनी RG आनी BJP ते एकठांय आहा ते सो आमचे कितें 4 कोटी जाल्ले आहा ते 4 कोटी जाला ते एकठांय जाल्यार सारके झगडपाता सगळे जर येयले जाल्यार बेस्ट जाता न्हू
दिसता तुमकां
बेस्ट जाता न्हू कोण जाता कोटा मरे टायम
तुम्ही सेंट्रल लिडरा कडेन उलयले अशें
अरे टायम हांवें सेंट्रल सांगलां सगळे एकठांय जावपा जाय
समज TMC ना तरी पण
आतां ते मागीर पळय अरे कितें जाता तें
सद्या इंडिपेंडंट मागीर मुखार चोया लोकांना से आहा न्हू बाबा लोक वोट कोताय म्हाका तेंगले घेवन
आनी कोण तुमकां अप्रोच बी अशें जावना TMC किंवा
जायत जालें सांगो जायना
BJP's General Secretary Damodar Naik said the entry of TMC in Goa won't affect the BJP at all. It is a party with no ground.
TMC कांयच व्हडलें हें कांयच ना तांचे खरें म्हणल्यार हांगा एक्झिस्टन्सूच ना झिरो बारीक विचार करात TMCचो कितें हांगा गोंयांत कितें खंय कार्यालय आसा बरे वेळाचेर रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस आसा स्टेट एक्झिक्युटीव आसा खंय तरी पदाधिकारी आसा ट्रेजरर सेक्रेटरी अशें कितें आसा स्टेट मिटिंग्स कितें जाता असो कितें तो पक्ष हांगा आसा गोंयांत ना फक्त बॅनरां लायलीं होर्डिंग्स लायले आनी आपले एक तरेन चित्र रंगयलें आनी जो कोण तरी काँग्रेसीचो रिटायर्ड पर्सन आसा ताका घेतलो A पर्सन MGचो एक रिटायर्ड पर्सन आसा ताका घेतलो A पर्सन जालें ती वेस्ट बेंगॉलान लोकल पार्टी.
Irshad Sheikh, William Rodrigues and Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. PMC Municipal Council would file a police complaint against revolutionary Goans for taking the law into their own hands. The chairperson said that RG members had tried to remove vendors from other states from the market. The council cannot discriminate against Goans and outsiders, and police have been told to take cognizance of it, the chairperson said.
Dussehra is over. Diwali is around the corner. Few vendors were sitting in Ponda market to sell marigolds. However, RG members shooed them away. Chairperson Shantaram Kolvekar said RG had given a memorandum to the Ponda municipality to remove them. But the chairperson said that they cannot discriminate on the grounds of local or migrants.
रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन RG गोवनान मातसो एक प्रॉब्लेम केलो दसऱ्याच्या निमतान जे पळय फुलवाले येता रोजां घेवन ते स्ट्रीट वेंडर म्हणून ते बसलेले आनी ते फुलां विकताले ताणें बोवाळ केलो आनी आमकां एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलें की थंय ते जे कितें म्हटलां ताणें हे भायले जे स्ट्रीट वेंडर आसा त्या स्ट्रीट वेंडरांक थंय बसचें दिलें आमी भायले आनी गोंयकार आसा आमी डिफरन्शिएट करपाक शकना स्ट्रीट वेंडर जशे गोंयकार बसता तशे भायले बसपाक शकता आमी कायद्यान तांकां उठोवपाक शकना सो ही गजाल आसा ती फुडले येणाऱ्या काळात दिवाळीक जर अशे प्रॉब्लेम जावचे न्ही म्हणून आमी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाक आमी एक लेटर बरोवपाचें ठरयलां आनी तुमी लॉ अँड ऑर्डराच्या अंडर हे सगळ्यो अश्यो ज्यो केसीस आसा त्यो तुमी हँडल करच्यो.
PMC conducted its council meetings and took some important resolutions. It resolved to construct new buildings at the cost of 1.5 crore rupees. The old buildings would be kept untouched. Fogging would be done in the jurisdiction to keep the dengue cases at bay.
मृत्यू दिनाची 60 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाता त्या निमतान गव्हर्मेंटान प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपालिटीक 1 कोटी ग्रांट दिवपाचो थारायला आनी हो एक सिग्नेचर प्रोजेक्ट कसो करचो असो ताणें सांगला आनी एज इट इज तुमकां सगळ्यो खबर आसा आमची जी म्युनिसिपल बिल्डींग आसा आमकां ही जागो पावना हो आनी ही हेरिटेज बिल्डींग असल्या कारणान आमी ती मोडपाकूय शकना आनी आमचो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव बिल्डींग आमी आमच्या ज्या सायडीक सेटबॅक एरियेन आसा थंय आमी ऑलरेडी आमचो प्लॅन रेडी आसा आनी इट इज फॉर एप्रुवल एट PDA आमी तांकां सांगलें की हो तुमचो जो 1 कोटी आसा तो आमी ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक वापरता ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक आमकां 1.5 कोटी लागतले म्हणल्यार हो जो 1 कोटी आसा तो वापरता आनी 50 लाख 15 फायनान्सांतले वापरता आनी तांकां ते एग्री जाले. दुसरी गजाल आसा ती हेजी डेंगू केसीस आतां थोड्यो म्हणजे आयकपा येता आतां पर्यंत आमी जे फॉगींग आमचे कडेन एक मेकॅनिझम आसा म्हणटा तें फॉगींग करपाचें तर आज हांवें ह्या मिटिंगेच्या मदतल्यान टेक्निकल डिपार्टमेंटाक सगळं हें केल्लें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा की आयच्या सगळ्या वॉर्डांनी तांणी विचारूं अथवा ना विचारूं हें फॉगींग प्रत्येक वॉर्डान जावनी.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
With reports of localized spread of coronavirus and new variants in some states, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs extended COVID-19 containment measures across the country till November 30th.
In an official communication to all states and union territories, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla said that existing protocols for curbing the spread of COVID-19 will continue till November 30th. The centre, state government and health experts have been advising people to follow COVID appropriate behaviour strictly, especially during the festival season. Any relaxation in following the norms might trigger a surge in fresh infections. India reported 14,348 fresh coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, taking its overall COVID-19 tally to 3,42,46,157, while the active cases surged to over 1.6 lakhs. The death toll too climbed to 4,57,191 with 805 fresh fatalities, including 708 from Kerala. Kerala has been reconciling COVID deaths in the past few days. The active cases now account for 0.47% of the total infections, the lowest since March 2020, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.19%. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. Locals are advised to be prepared for thunderstorms accompanied with lightning on the 1st and 2nd of November over isolated areas and light to moderate rainfall at a few places from the 30th till the 2nd of November. The weather is very likely to remain dry on the 20th of October, however. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 35 degrees centigrade and 23 degrees centigrade respectively.
There will be a gradual rise in temperature by 1 to 2 degrees over the next 2 days. Skies will be mainly clear over the next 2 days, but there will be light haze and fog at isolated areas till the 2nd. There are no weather warnings till the 31st, and rough sea warning too has not been issued for fishermen. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.